everyone, welcome to GetMyHarvest. I have always been very fascinated with the various kinds of arrangements that can be done with succulents. Today, I am going to show you one of the arrangements with succulents. This is going to be really interesting, so let's get going.
Does this look pretty? How about having one of these at your home? Succulent arrangements like these add beauty to your home and are therapeutic to look at, aren't they? I will be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to make a beautiful succulent arrangement like this. Please watch the entire video till the end and share your experiences or questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to GetMyHarvest channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification on my new videos. So let's dive in.
Please let me know in the comments section below. Share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.